In this video, you will see a chocolate mousse recipe, and I have tried to make something exciting for the kids. This mousse is very soft and has a rich chocolate taste. It's layered with different flavors and textures, and this recipe is going to excite you, so do watch the full video. The same layers can be repeated to be made in a deep serving dish too. Let's start making this absolutely indulgent chocolate mousse. To make the chocolate ganache, I will first measure the dark chocolate compound. This is about 240 grams. If you do not have a weighing scale, I will show you how much chocolate you should take. This chocolate is divided into 4 bars, out of which I will use the 2 bars. Chopping it uniformly helps to melt it uniformly too. In the next step, I am going to microwave this for 30 seconds only each time till it melts. You can also take this in a bowl and place that bowl in a pan of boiling water and melt it, which is also called as the double boiler method. And here the chocolate is chopped. I will heat this only for 30 seconds in the microwave. I'm also going to heat 3/4 bowl of Amul fresh cream for 30 seconds and keep it aside. The chocolate is heated, stir this till it melts completely and there should be no lumps left. The consistency should be smooth like this. Before adding in the cream, let's make the eyes and nose for the puppy. This is a silicone puppy mold which is easily available in stores where you get the bakery supplies. As this is pure white, it is difficult to see the design inside the mold. By using a paintbrush, I'm going to put chocolate in the depression made for the eyes and the nose. To make the ganache, I'm going to add hot cream to the chocolate and mix it well. If you want to make layers for the mousse, just double the quantity of chocolate and cream. I'm going to make it in 2 layers today as I'm using a flat dish. And a smooth ganache is ready. Here I've taken 1 cup of non-dairy whipping cream of Tropolite brand. Whisk this for 30 seconds. To get a deep flavor in this pudding, I'm going to add in some coffee in the next step. This is 1 tablespoon of instant coffee mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk this again till semi-thick stage. This pudding can also be called as the Choco Mocha pudding. I'm also going to add in 1 more flavor to it, so keep watching. Do not overbeat the cream. Keep it at soft peak stage where you can see the peaks are not standing and the cream is very soft. Add about 2 ladlefuls of chocolate ganache. And with light hands, mix everything together well. This is mixed well now. You can take any dish to set the pudding. I have also taken 1 teaspoon of coffee and to that I will add some warm water and mix it well. At the base, add in the chocolate cream layer. And now I'm going to place some coconut flavored biscuits. You can also use Marie biscuits or orange biscuits too. Orange and chocolate, this combination tastes good too. Give a wash of coffee to soak the biscuits. After soaking the biscuits, the brand is visible, but this is no brand promotion video, my friends. So we have the coffee, chocolate and coconut flavor in this pudding. Refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, with the same cream, let's fill up the puppy mold with small spoonfuls so that no air gaps are left. Otherwise, the puppy will have holes on the body. There are intricate details in this mold, so take care to fill in those parts too. It is easy with the piping bag, but I'm not using as many viewers may not have piping bags at home and you need not buy everything under the sky. right? Level it up, otherwise your puppy will not sit straight. Using a toothpick or back of the brush, remove the air pockets if any, as this will take 6 hours to set, and then if you find holes, then you'll not only have to redo the puppy, but then your family would have eaten the pudding too. So you have to redo the pudding. Lastly, tap it to be doubly sure and put it in the freezer for 6 hours. For the next pudding layer, I'm going to add in a few more ladlefuls of chocolate ganache, and this quantity totally depends upon your liking and taste. Mix this well and see how intense this looks. Adding some more of the ganache so that when I place the mousse puppy, it stands out on the dark contrast. The first layer is cooled well. I'm going to sprinkle some almond flakes as they add a texture while eating. Top it up with the intensely flavored chocolate cream. This pudding will set in just 3 to 4 hours and you will be tempted to eat it too, but kindly wait for minimum 6 hours till the puppy is set. If you try to demold a puppy soon, it will break. Cover with a foil so that it won't catch the aroma of the food kept in the refrigerator. And after 6 hours, the pudding has set well, and now let's check the puppy. The puppy mousse has set well, and with great patience demold the puppy. Loosen from the sides very slowly. This takes time as the silicone is very soft and slippery, but the result is absolutely worth all the effort. I didn't want to edit this clip, but I just wanted to show you the reality that it takes a lot of time to demold this. So you need a lot of patience. And a cute puppy mousse is ready. Doesn't that look so cute? I have just added a few Rice Krispies and some chocolate chips, and an absolutely delightful and delicious mousse is ready. If you liked my video, do press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.